we have to divide. See, we are given a bigger number this time. This is our divisor. So a square plus a plus 1. So we are going to write it here. A square plus a plus 1. And the dividend is a cube plus 2a square plus 2a plus 1. Now see, a square into a will be a cube. So we are going to write a only. So a square into a becomes a cube. So we are going to write it here. Again, a into a will be plus a square. Again, a into 1 will be only a. Cancel things out, sign becomes negative, this is minus, this also becomes minus, this also becomes minus. These two get cancelled, plus a cube and minus a cube. Here it is plus 2a square and here there is minus a square. So it would become only a square. Again, plus 2a minus a, it would become only plus a. And this shifts down, that is plus 1. Now you see, we are going to simply multiply it with plus 1. So a square into plus 1 would be a square. Plus 1 into a will be plus a. Again, plus 1 into plus 1 would be plus 1. Sign gets changed, this becomes minus, this becomes minus, this also becomes minus. So plus a square cancel, plus a minus a cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, and remainder is 0. Quotient is a plus 1. So we're going to write it here. Quotient is a plus 1. Remainder is 0. Moving on, next question. If the area of a rectangle is 8x square and minus 45y square plus 18xy and one of its side is 4x plus 15y, find the adjacent side. So first of all, we know that area of a rectangle is, we're going to write area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here in the question, the area is given as this and the length, one of its side is given as this. So we are going to find the other side. So therefore, what we need to do is, for finding out the other side, we are going to divide the area with the given side. So we are going to write basically the other side would be is equal to, we are going to write 8x square minus 45y square plus 18xy. This divided by 4x plus 15y. So divided by 4x plus 15y. Now we are going to divide it, simply the process that we follow. So 4x plus 5y needs to be written here. This is the divisor. And then it's 15y, not 14. 4 plus 15y. And the dividend to be written in between, 8x square minus 45y square plus 18xy. Now simply we are going to divide the numbers. First we have got 4x and here it is 8x square. It means we are going to multiply it with 2x. So 2 into 4 is 8. X into x is x square. Again 2 into 15 is 30 xy. So we are going to write 30 xy, but we are going to write it here. It's done. Now see, sign change, this becomes minus, so it gets cancelled. Now minus 45y square would straight away move here. And here we are going to change the sign. So plus 18 minus 30, it would become 30 minus 18, 12. It would become minus 12xy. Now see, we have got minus 45y square. So is it possible for us to do anything with it? What we can do is, since this was left out, we have to write this thing here. That is at the end, minus 45y square. Now see, we have got 4x and we have got minus 12xy. So we have to actually multiply it with minus 3. So 3 into 4 we get 12, and here there is x, and here we have to add another y so that we get xy. Now we need a minus sign. So for that we have already written a minus sign. So this is minus 12xy. Then minus 3y into minus 15. So minus and plus will be minus. 15 into 3 is 45, and y into y is y square. Sign would change. This would become plus. So minus 12xy plus 12xy cancelled out. Again sign would change. Minus 45y square plus 45y square cancelled out. Remainder is 0, and this is our quotient. Which means therefore the other side will be 2x minus 3y. So we're going to write other side. The other side is 2x minus 3y. Moving on, next question. What polynomial be subtracted from the polynomial x? This will be to the power 4 into, plus 2x cube plus x square minus 18x minus 15, so that the resulting polynomial exactly is divisible x square minus 1 by minus x. So what is the polynomial that we have to subtract from this thing which is given to us, so that whatever answer we get is perfectly divisible by this? For which we have to do is, we have to divide this number with this number and check what is the remainder. That is the number which is to be subtracted from this given number so that it is exactly divisible. So let's copy it down. We're going to write the divisor, that is this x square minus 1 minus x. Make it, arrange it properly. We'll write x square minus x first and then minus 1. As I told you, we're going to write it in such a manner that the powers are arranged in a proper manner from in descending order. Next, over here, x to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus x square minus 18x and minus 15. Now, x to the power 4 and x square. So, we are going to write x square. So, x square into x square becomes x to the power 4. X square into minus x would become minus x cube. X square into minus 1 would become minus x square. That's it. Change the sign. This becomes negative. This becomes positive. This becomes positive as well. So x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 cancelled out. Plus 2x cube and again plus x cube. It would become plus 3x cube. Again plus x square and plus x square would become plus 2x square. The rest thing will be copied. So we're going to write minus 18x and again minus 15. Now, next step, we have got x cube, 3x cube here and here only x square. So we are going to multiply it with plus 3x. So you can see 3 into 1 is 3 and x square into x is x cube. So we are going to write x cube. Again, 3x plus 3x into minus x would become minus 3x square. Again, 3x into minus 1 would become minus 3x. Again, sign needs to be changed. It becomes minus. So plus 3x and minus 3x gets cancelled. This becomes plus. So 2x square plus 3x square becomes 5x square. Again, sign change. This becomes plus. So minus 18 plus 3. It would become 15 plus. It would become minus 15x. And this is moved as it is. That is minus 15. See, next we are going to multiply x square with only 5. So that we get, so plus 5, we get 5 into x square, simply 5x square. Next, plus 5 into minus x becomes minus 5x. Again, plus 5 into minus 1 becomes minus 5. Now sign needs to change. This becomes negative, this becomes positive, this becomes positive. So minus plus 5x square minus 5x square gets cancelled. Minus 15x plus 5x would become minus 10x. Minus 15 plus 5 would become minus 10. So this is the number that is to be subtracted from this polynomial given to us so that it gets exactly divisible by this number. Therefore, minus 10x minus 10. We can also write it as take minus 10 as common and we can write x plus 1 here. It means the same thing. This is the number to be subtracted.